In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. We'll start right from a Google search and end inside Webflow's page settings, where you'll see the page canonical URL field and understand how it fits into creating shareable links, including links that can target a specific tab on a page. Keep your Webflow login handy, and if you're already signed in, this will go quickly. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type Webflow into the search bar. In the results, look for the official Webflow site that says, Create a custom website. Visual Website Builder. This is the primary entry point to the platform. Click that result to open Webflow. If you're prompted to log in, sign in to the correct account for the workspace you want to use. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, find the project you want to work with. Click View Site to open the published version in a new tab. This quick check helps confirm you're looking at the right project and reminds you what's currently live. After that, return to your Webflow tab and open the project editor if it isn't open already. Inside the designer, look to the left-hand toolbar and click the Pages icon. This panel lists your static pages and, if you use the CMS, any collection pages. Choose the page you need to adjust. Hover over it and open its settings, typically by clicking the gear icon. This brings up the full set of options for that page: general details, SEO fields, open graph content, and more. In the settings, find the page canonical URL. The canonical URL tells search engines which version of a page is the one you want indexed when duplicates or variations exist, like pages that can be reached with different query parameters or tracking tags. Use the full preferred URL here, including HTTPS and your primary domain, and keep it consistent. This helps avoid diluted rankings and makes sure the right version appears in search results. If you're building a link that opens a specific tab on this page, you'll often share the base page URL and append a fragment or parameter that your page recognizes to activate that tab. Keep the canonical URL as the clean primary address of the page, and use the shareable link with the fragment for user navigation. That way, search engines see one authoritative URL, while visitors land on the exact tab you want. When you're done reviewing, save your changes and, if needed, publish to push updates live. That's it. From Google to Webflow, into the page settings, and right to the canonical URL with clarity on how it supports clean links and tab-specific navigation.